Virus 𝙈𝙈, stop ripping 𝙑𝙄𝙑𝙄's library book.
Virus 𝙈𝙈, stop writing mean stuffs on the wall. Cha-cha.
I want cookies. I want cookies. I want cookies. I want cookies. I want cookies.
No Virus 𝙈𝙈, we are buying fruits and vegetables. Now stop throwing a tantrum.
Virus 𝙈𝙈, stop picking heartfish.
Stop right there, Virus 𝙈𝙈. You ain't doing that. You are grounded. Go to bed now.
Hi guys, my name is Virus 𝙈𝙈.
My name is 𝙈𝙄𝙑𝙑𝙄.
And my name is Mimi. Today, we are going to throw a toy car and make Kif slip and fall.
What is going on here? And why did I hear Kif crying?
𝙑𝙄𝙑𝙑𝙄, Virus 𝙈𝙈, and Mimi threw a toy car on the ground. I went for a walk, and I slipped and fall.
Oh my god. Mimi, and Virus 𝙈𝙈, how dare you throw a toy car on the ground and made Kif slip and fall? That's it. I'm calling your guardians. Go home now.
Comment, Mimi and Virus 𝙈𝙈. I cannot believe you threw a toy car on the sidewalk and made Kif slip and fall. Now she is hurt because of you.
I agree what Sonia said. That's it. You are grounded until her last day of school on June 19th.
Now go to her room and never come back until dinner time.